Right now, somewhere, an algorithm is doing in 10 seconds what used to take someone a full workday. That should scare you, or it should make you rich. The difference between those two outcomes isn't luck. It's whether you understand what's happening and what to do about it. Every major wave of automation in history followed the same pattern. It destroyed a specific set of jobs and created new kinds of wealth for the people who saw it coming early. The printing press didn't end communication. It ended one kind of jobs and created 100 new ones. AI is the same story, moving at a speed we've never seen before. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing tasks. Specifically, the repeatable, predictable parts of almost every job. The parts that follow a clear pattern. What survives is judgment, taste, relationships. The ability to make a decision when the data is incomplete, or explain a decision to another human being. Look at your own income today. What percentage of it comes from repeatable tasks versus judgment calls? That ratio is the real risk number to watch, not your job title. For most of the last century, wealth was built by scaling other people's time. Hiring employees, opening locations, building teams. AI changes the math. One person with the right tools can now do the work that used to require 10 people. The barrier to building something of your own has dropped lower than it's ever been. The question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, what could I build alone right now that would have required a team 5 years ago? General, easily taught skills are exactly what AI learns fastest. What AI struggles to replicate is knowledge built from your specific experience. Things you understand because you live them, not because you read them in a manual. That kind of knowledge can't be outsourced to a model, because a model has never actually done what you've done. Write down one thing you understand deeply because of your specific path, a skill, an industry, a problem you've solved repeatedly. That's your starting point, not a generic AI-proof career. Before chasing the next big opportunity, protect what you already have. A single income source, no matter how safe it feels, is the most exposed position you can be in during a period of rapid change. This doesn't mean panic. It means starting one small additional income stream now, while your main income gives you the stability to build it slowly. Pick one skill or piece of specific knowledge from Section 3 and find the smallest possible way to turn it into extra income this month. Not a full business, just a first small test. AI won't ask permission before it changes your industry. It's already changing it. The people who end up wealthier won't be the ones who worked hardest at the old rules. They'll be the ones who understood the new ones first. The choice in front of you isn't whether AI changes your income. It's whether you're the one deciding how. Subscribe for more.